How to sign up or log into the Trust Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to sign up or log into Trust Wallet is quite simple. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. Then after, make sure you have installed the latest version. After that, tap on Open to launch the application. Then tap on Get Started in the screen, and then you will see a screen whereby you have to confirm a password, or you could also use biometrics to get logged in. Due to security purposes, it has not been recorded in the screen. However, you will see an interface to give in your password. Once that is done, you will just have to enable biometrics and you will be logged in. Then after, you can allow the permissions of the application. From the settings section on the top left corner, you can check your wallets, price alerts, address books, and add wallets as well. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.